What's up guys, Ricky Bobby here. I'm just sitting in the Challenger. In today's video, I wanted to talk to you guys about the brake and the gas pedal. How many of you guys have ever been at a stoplight trying to go or trying to come to a stop and you put your foot on the pedal, gas or brake, and it slips off? Maybe you just didn't have grippy enough shoes, or I don't know what your problem is, but I got a solution for you. All right guys, I got these Speedform pedals. They're not just for look. They have a ton of rubber material on them, so that way you know your foot ain't gonna slip off. And it literally installs just like the factory ones, just slips on. And you can't forget, they gave me some stickers too. Heck yeah. First things first, I know, it's kind of dirty. Leave me alone. Let's try to get these old ones off. Seems to be working very well. That was actually pretty easy. Okay, so the gas pedal actually doesn't even have anything on it. Let's go ahead and get our new one slid on. In the instructions, it did say that you might need to take a heat gun to the rubber just to loosen it up for you to get it on. But I don't think I'll need that. It seems to be going on pretty good. Just shimmying the rubber over. Just kind of pulling on the outside of the rubber while I'm pushing on the actual pedal. Just feeling around now, making sure I got the lip all the way over. Yeah, that's good now. All right, now for the gas pedal. Thinking it just slips on like this. Do the same thing, shimmy the rubber around. Go from this side. Just so I know that that's going to be on, and I can see this side, so. This one feels a little loose, honestly. It's on there. It's on there, and when I pull on it, it doesn't feel like it wants to come off unless I grab the top of it and try to actually pull it off. Honestly, that was pretty quick and easy, and it looks great. Oh, that feels so much better. Wow. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this quick little install. Speedform billet pedal set. I really like it. Feels good. Looks good. Very cheap, very simple to install. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one.